Yeah, it's a PowerPoint slideshow,
Yeah,
which is
yeah, it's digitized to optimize, right?
yeah, right.
All right. Okay, thank you. I'll start now. I'm Vikas Makkar. I'm part of domain consulting group at Infosys, and I focus on energy transition solution for our clients. I'm based out of Bangalore, and I have been with Infosys for over 12 years now, and I've been part of Infosys carbon neutrality journey. And a significant part of my experience is with solutions around sustainability, digitalization, and smart user experiences in buildings. Today, I'll talk about our digital solution known as Energy as a Service, or EaaS as we call it. It is an integrated energy platform co-developed with BP, which is British Petroleum. Why Infosys and BP developed it? Because it brings together digital expertise of Infosys and energy expertise of BP. And as I said, it's a digital solution which sits on top of existing building IoT systems like energy management system and building management system. I'll go to slide 2. This slide talks about why energy as a service. Why did we decide to build it? We all know that India is committed to various ambitious goals in line with the Paris Agreement. Few important ones are to reduce emission intensity of its GDP by 45% by 2030, and then to reach 500 gigawatts of installed electricity capacity from non-fossil fuel sources by 2030, and then finally become net zero by 2070. Then coming to slide 3, the current focus of this platform is commercial buildings. And why did we choose commercial buildings? Because we realized that in India, building sector consumes or accounts for 20% of the emissions and around 30 to 35% of energy consumption. And another thing is that consumption as well as emissions are exponentially increasing. Slide 4. This slide is about the building energy landscape, showing how energy gets consumed in a typical building and opportunities and challenges identified in the path to net zero buildings are shown on the right. For example, based on our research, we have identified that four key challenges that a customer faces in path to carbon neutrality are around reduce energy consumption or reduce carbon footprint, which is related to the first two, and then optimize cost as power of the as optimize the cost of power as percentage of its opex. Then slide 5, yeah, this is about this is like a functional diagram of the platform. The platform is designed to meet all needs of a customer around energy. This includes needs both in front of the meter, which are like focusing on energy supply management, and behind the meter, which is around focusing on energy demand and consumption management. There are four key modules of this solution. First is energy generation and consumption monitoring. Second is contract management, which is to do with around demand and supply forecasting for generation and cost optimization. And the fourth, last but not the least, is energy efficiency. We know energy efficiency is the first fuel of a sustainable energy system, and energy efficiency is not new, but digital solutions like energy as a service are making it easier to find opportunities or actionable insights around energy. Our platform can help reduce the energy consumption in buildings by 25 to 30%, and not to mention the avoided generation capacity that comes along with it. Coming to our case study, while we were developing the product, we were simultaneously implementing it at one of our campuses in Pune as a test bed. This campus is 150 acres with over 5 million square feet of built up area and approximately 1.5 megawatt of on-site solar. So this was an apt candidate for such a platform, considering the maturity of the campus, of the Infosys campus in terms of operations, in terms of maintenance, and in terms of the sustainability initiatives. It was not an easy task to deliver the outcomes which are mentioned in the bottom of this slide. But our belief was that if we are able to demonstrate the benefits or the outcomes of the platform at this campus, we'll be able to deliver benefit at any other site. So at our Pune campus, these are the outcomes that were delivered. One, we improved the green supply in the energy mix. We took it to 75%. We implemented a 5% reduction in the price of power. We implemented 10% energy efficiency gain and the corresponding CO2 reduction because of the green energy and because of the energy efficiency gains amounted to 50%. Now having demonstrated and delivered the benefits at our campus, we are ready to deploy the solution at two of the largest real estate companies in India with whom we have signed the NDA. And we have tried, to conclude, we have tried to put in all the learnings and experiences from our own carbon neutrality journey into this solution. And we believe that this paves the way for decarbonization beyond our own organizational boundaries and it helps other companies achieve their climate related targets. Thank you.